Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss joins in MySQL. So what is meant by joins and what are the different types of joins in MySQL? Listen very carefully. Joins is one of the very commonly asked interview question for data analyst, business analyst, data engineering roles. So please focus these joins very carefully and definitely you will get these kind of questions in the interview. Now, what is meant by joins? So as we said that we are looking into RDBMS databases, which is nothing but all the tables are getting related to each other by using primary key and foreign key relationship. Guys, we have a detailed explanation of what is by primary key and foreign key. Please look my previous recordings and then come to this video, which is more useful and you can understand very clearly. Now, what is by joins? Let's say I'm going to take three tables for here better understanding. First is personal table. Just I'm copying this and I'm pasting it into the Excel sheet. So this table is nothing but a personal table. The table name is. Next table is nothing but salary table. So I'm copying this. So this is the salary table. Sir, if you see these two tables, let's say this is the personal information of the people, this is their salary information. How can I connect these two tables? Using ID, correct? So ID is the common key that is available in both the tables. Okay, sir. Now if you see here I have ID number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. Here I'm having all the IDs with their salary. Now if I want to make a single table where I can get their personal information as well as salary, means now you want to join these two tables, right? So that is called joins. So now what are the different type of join that is available is, so one is inner join, next left join, next is right join, then outer join. We have few other joins we are going to discuss in the upcoming videos. So in this video we are going to discuss these four types of joins. One is inner, left, right and outer join. So after this in the upcoming videos we'll see what is meant by cross join, self join and the remaining stuffs. Now, sir, what is meant by this inner join? So very simple. This is the join which is used to join the two table. We know that that is the definition of join. Let's say select star from, what is my first table? Personal, inner join. What is my second table, guys? Salary, inner join salary. Now, how can I join these two tables? I'm going to join this personal table with my salary. How can I join? On personal dot ID. From this column I want to map whenever this ID in the personal column is equal to ID in the salary table. ID dot salary, sorry, here ID dot personal, oh, sorry, from personal table whenever there is an ID it want to get mapped with the ID in the salary table. Yeah, so now I'm going to join the two table personal with salary. How? If join means you want to give a condition that is on from the personal table whenever the ID is getting mapped with salary tables ID. For example, here the whoever is getting, whenever this personal table ID is equal to salary table ID, then that are the mapping. Let's see the output. I'm just running this. Yeah, I'm capturing this. Guys, listen one more thing. So instead of typing the table name here, you can give a alias name to the table. For example, I'm just copying, instead of personal you can rename this personal as A, you can rename the salary as B, whatever the name you want you can rename. Now what I'm doing here is, instead of calling personal every time, directly I can use the table name of A, correct? Because I renamed this personal, I give a alias to A. Now instead of calling the salary you can give B, so both will result the same answer. So right now I'm just executing this and I'm seeing the output. Okay, listen, now I'm seeing this inner join. Okay, let me analyze this, what output we are getting in the inner join. So what I'm getting in the inner join is, This inner join is giving me the exact match between the two tables. If you see here, if you see the IDs, this ID number 1 is available in personal as well as salary. That's why it's getting printed. ID number 2 is also there, 3 is also there, 4 is also there, 5 is also there. So that's why it is printing all this info. But we are not able to get 10 because why we are not getting 10 here, guys? Because the 10 is not available in the salary table. So which is nothing but whatever the condition you are passing, that condition want to available in both the tables. That means both the tables satisfying that condition, it will be printed as an output. If you see here clearly, ID number 10 is not getting printed because it is not having a match in the salary table. So in the two tables, whichever is having the exact match, it will be printed. This type of join is called inner join. I hope it's very clear. Sir, is it possible to join one more table? Right now we have joined two tables. Is it possible to join one more table? Yes, we can join. More than maximum there is 64 limit. You can join n number of tables. Right now we have just joined two tables. Let's see, we are going to add one more table here, which is called city table. I'm just taking the table inside the Excel sheet. This table name is city. So let's say I'm pasting the third table here, so which is having a city ID and the city name, correct? Which is having the city ID and the city name. Now I'm how can I connect the city ID, guys? From the city ID in the personal table, I want to connect the city ID with the which table? City table. This table name is city. Now let's see how I'm connecting. I'm just highlighting these two because the key to join the city ID is personal and city. Now I'm highlighting these two tables. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to connect these three tables now. Already two table is connected. Are you able to see here? We connected the two tables based on the condition. Now I'm going to connect one more table. So no worries. You can start your code at the next line of this. I'm going to join. I'm going to do inner join of one more table, which is called city table as C. On what condition? On. How can I join this, guys? How can I join the city table? How can I join the city table? From personal table, that means a dot city id is equal to c dot city id, correct? From the personal table city id, whenever it is get matched with city table city id, then it is a match requirement, right? So here I'm going to give on. A means nothing but personal table city id is equal to what is c dot? It is nothing but a city table city id. So now we given a condition, whenever my personal table city id is equal to my city table city id, then give me the records. Now we are running this and we are seeing the output. It is giving the output. I'm just copying this and I'm looking here. We'll analyze this output now. Okay. Now please listen. First, this all information from we are getting these all information from personal and salary join. This is an output of joining the personal and salary table. Now this is an output that we got from joining a third table, which is nothing but a city table, right? Okay, let me analyze. First, it is giving me the exact match based on the ID we joined the personal and salary. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 1, like 1 2 3 4 5. So it is coming because of a common element available in both the tables. This is the key. Now again, from this output we are looking into what? The city table, because after the join only you are again joining the third table. Now the city ID is getting mapped 1 2 3 4. So city number 1 2 3 4, it is available. 101 means Chennai, so city number 101, it is printing Chennai for both the records. For city ID 102 3 4 5, it is giving me the respective city names. So this is the way how to join more than two tables, guys. This is the inner join. I hope it is very simple. Inner join is nothing but joining two or more tables. But what is the criteria? What is the exact thing in inner join means? It will give you the exact match. That means the element want to be available in both the tables. If it is not having the match, so it will not consider it, so it will remove it from the output. So only the exact match in the tables will be printed as an output. So this is the inner join. So what is the next join, sir? What is the next join we are going to discuss? Next is left join. Okay, sir, what is in my left join? The name itself saying it's something a left table is going to mingle here. For example, for this left join, I'm going to take a new sheet. In the new sheet, I'm going to take the personal, salary and city information. I'm just pasting here. Now I'm going to do the left join for this personal and salary. Everything is same, nothing is different. Select star from personal as A. Instead of inner join, you want to give left join. Left join. Next table is what? Salary as B. On what condition? A dot id equal to B dot id. Now I'm running this. So I'm just looking here and I'm analyzing this answer. Sorry, I'm just copying there. So now this is my output. So here I'm getting null. So I'm just marking this null. Okay. Sir, why I'm getting null here? First thing. Next thing, what does this left join means? So normally, whatever the table you have passed first is considered as the left table, then followed by your joining one more table which is considered as the right table. So in the left join, the left table will be fixed completely. So whatever the values in the left table, it will be available in the left join. Left table means the table that you are joining first. You are giving a first as while joining, correct? So this is the table which is nothing but a personal table. All the entries, all the entries in the personal table will be here, and followed by which table you have given. Let's say I'm giving a salary table after personal, which is considered as the right table. It will take match from the left. For all the people, one there is a match, two there is a match from salary, three also ID number three there is a match from salary, four also there is a match, five also there is a match, but for 10 we are not having match in the salary, correct? So for whoever we are having the match, it will print the values. If values is not there, if match is not there, it will return null. So this is called left join. So I hope you understood. Left join is nothing but it will fix your left table. That means the table that you entered first, which is considered as the left table, it will fix your left table. It will try to take match from the right. That means the second table. If matches is there, it will return the value. If matches is not there, it will return null. So same thing a right join is. I hope you understood. You can easily find right join. What is my right join now? I'm using the same code. Listen, I'm using the same code. Instead of left join, I'm using right. Instead of left join, I'm using right. I'm just running this. So I will take this output. We'll analyze this now. We'll analyze the right join. One second. Yeah. So we are going to analyze this right join now. So these all are nulls. These all are I'm getting as null. So let me analyze this first. Sir, which is right table? Salary is the right table. So right join means this is output of right join. This is the output of left join. So in the right join, what it is doing? It is fixing your right table completely, correct? What it is doing? It fixing your right table completely. It is taking a match from the left table. If matches is there, it is returning the answers. One is there, two is there. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So for whoever the ID we are getting the match, it is returning the answers. For remaining people, for remaining IDs, those we are not having match in the left table, that means personal table, it is returning the answer as null. This is called right join. So which is nothing but a left join means it will fix your left table. Right join means it will fix your right table. Then it will try to take a match from the rest table. If matches is there, it will return. If matches is not there, it will print null. In industry, we will not use right join because left join is sufficient to answer all the problems. For example, if you want to perform right join, so instead of that, you can change the table name. So if you see here in left join, what I had done in left join, I have used personal first and salary second. So instead of that, I can change the table name, right? So whichever the table I'm giving here will act as the left table. So instead of this, I can use the same left join. I using salary table first, followed by I can use personal table at second. Now I'm running this code. So I'm getting the same answer. If you see here, whatever the expected output I'm getting from the right join, I able to achieve it from the left table itself. Are you able to see here, guys? Yes or no? So that's why we will not use right join in the real time. See here, whatever the answer I'm getting, so this is also a left join, but what I had done, I just changed the table name from, I used salary as the left table, personal as the right table. If you see here, first I'm given personal salary, here I'm giving salary personal. What will happen? This table will be fixed in this scenario. In case 2, the salary table will be fixed, which is exactly as in right join, correct? So the output what I'm getting here is far better than this, right? So now I can achieve everything using left join itself. That why we will never use right join in the industry. I hope you understood the left join and the right join. Okay guys, very simple. Now we are going to outer join. Sir, what is by outer join? Let me analyze now. Outer join is nothing but union of, guys, what is my outer join? Outer join is nothing but union of left join and right join. So that is outer join. What is my outer join? Which is nothing but union of. So what is my union, guys? Please watch my previous recordings. Union is nothing but appending two tables one below the another by removing the duplicates. So same thing we are going to do. Outer join is nothing but union of left join and right join. So we will see the outer join now. Everyone listen, outer join. So just we'll take the left join first. We'll take this left join. So first we'll take a left join. Then we want to do union. Then we'll do the right join. So what is the right join? We already have the code. I'm just copying this. So now this is the left join query unioning with the right join query. So that's the answer of outer join, right? What is my outer join? Which is the union of left join and right join. I'm just joining and running this. So I'm copying this answer and I am pasting in the Excel sheet to analyze. So let's say I'm pasting here itself. Okay, here I'm pasting here. This is the outer join. So let we analyze this. What is the answer of outer join? What it's trying to say? What the inference we are taking it from the outer join is? Okay, if you see here the outer join, this is the answer for outer join. Please listen, this is the outer join. Sir, what is the answer is, which is combining the left join and right join, which is appending the two tables. If you see here, first the person, all the personal information is fixed, and then in right join it is trying to append. These all are considering as a duplicates. That's why it is not appending in the outer join answer. Because what union will do? If Abhi this information is already there, it will remove these all the 5 information which is already available in the first table, and the remaining information is getting joined. So using the outer join, using this outer join, we can able to understand, complete visibility of the data, right? For example, 10 Suraj, we are not having the information of ID and salary. For this ID number 6789, we are not having their personal information. So to get the complete visibility of the data, we can use this outer join. So it is very simple. First thing what we have discussed is inner join, which is nothing but exact match between the two tables. Next what we have discussed, which is left join, which is nothing but left table will be fixed, it will take match from the right. That means the second table that you have entered, if match is there, it will return the answer, else it will print a null. Same thing, the right join, the table that you have entered at second, which is considered as the right table, will be fixed completely. It will take match from the left. If match is there, it will print the answers. If match is not there, it will return null. Okay, sir, what is meant by outer join? We already discussed. Outer join is nothing but union of left join and right join. So why we want outer join? So it is help to understand the complete visibility of the data wherever we are having null values, for which data we have the right table information, for which table we are not having the left table information. Everything is analyzed using outer join. Now I said in industry we will never use right join because which is achievable in left join itself. How? By just changing the table name, right? I have showcased here. So I will paste this comment in the description so you can understood. So I will write a definition now. So first we have started our join here. Inner join is nothing but return. So exact match, right? Exact match between two tables, right? Now what is left join? It will fix the left table completely. It will fix the left, sorry, left table completely and take match from the right table. If match is there, what will print? Let's say I will make it down. So if match is there, it will return answer. It will return the rows, or else it will throw error. It will throw null values, right? It will mark it as null values, right? So that is the left join. So now what is right join? Same thing, nothing is different. This is same as left join. Right join, what it will do, guys, it will fix the right table and take match from the left table. If match is there, it will return the rows, or else it will mark it as a null values. Now we already seen outer join is nothing but union of left join and right join. So I hope you understood very clearly. I will share the data set also. So please practice. This is very important interview question. What is my joins? Then what are the types? So I hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks everyone.